Welcome aboard Smooth, a beautiful 1996 Taswell 56, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The 1996 Taswell 56 is a remarkable vessel known for its blend of performance and comfort and is recognized for its unique blend of style and practicality. The Taswell 56 boasts a distinctive silhouette characterized by its sleek lines and elegant detailing. The choice of materials reflects a high level of craftsmanship, featuring quality textiles and finishes that stand the test of time. Constructed from fiberglass, the hull offers durability and low maintenance, while also providing a good strength-to-weight ratio and features a sleek, modern hull design that enhances its performance under sail. Known for its speed, particularly under moderate winds, its design allows it to achieve good hull speed, making it suitable for competitive sailing or cruising. The boat is praised for its responsive handling, making it accessible for both experienced sailors and newcomers. The stern, with its teak deck sugar scoop and stainless steel ladder, make access from the water safe and easy. Stepping aboard is easy onto its wide side decks. The deck is spacious and allows for easy movement while underway or at anchor. At the stern is a sizable aft deck that can accommodate a couple of chairs for relaxing. Smooth is equipped with a hydraulic backstay adjuster for that perfect sail trim. There is easy access to the water from the aft of the boat. Moving forward is safe and easy, with plenty of places for handholds. Smooth is equipped with in-mast furling, making setting sail and sail handling safe and easy in a wide range of conditions. The cabin top forward of the main mast has cushions to lay out and enjoy the sun. The deck area is also large enough for a few folding chairs and makes this the perfect place for watching the sunset. The bow area is wide and unobstructed, giving excellent work room for setting the spinnaker or for when anchoring. There is easy access to the hydraulic vertical windlass with capstan, along with the windlass controls and anchor locker. Smooth is equipped with a powerful hydraulic furler. Entering the cockpit from the deck is easy, and the cockpit is spacious and well protected, allowing for comfortable sailing and relaxation, and provides safety and security at sea and on anchor. The view forward is excellent and provides an unobstructed view over the decks. Sailing instruments are mounted over the companionway and are easily viewed from anywhere in the cockpit. An excellent feature of this boat is that the sheets lead to power winches by the helm, and every sheet can be controlled while standing behind the helm, making it easy for one person to tack and jibe this big boat. After the cockpit is the traveler with its own dedicated winch. At the helm you find a multifunction display, a beautiful teak wheel, and bow thruster controls. Mounted in the pedestal are the Yanmar engine controls and gauges, along with controls for the power furler and the windlass. The teak companionway is wide and open and is easy to go below. Once below, you are greeted with a warm and inviting teak interior with beautiful teak and holly cabin sole throughout. The Taswell 56 interior is known for its roomy accommodations, with a generous main salon with ample headroom and large windows and hatches that allow excellent airflow through the boat at anchor. Smooth offers a very spacious 3-cabin layout with owner's cabin aft and 2 guest cabins forward. Her full-beamed saloon, U-shaped dinette, sizable nav station, large galley and workshop further enhance her capabilities as a long-range, comfortable, live-aboard cruising yacht. A long galley stretches from the navigation station to the main salon along the starboard side. There is exceptional counter space and numerous storage lockers, along with large refrigerator and freezer compartments, all ideal for long-range, self-sufficient cruising. The beautiful countertops offer fiddles for security in a seaway. There is ample storage for food and utensils, and more than enough counter space to prepare multi-course meals. This galley includes a 4-burner stainless steel stove and oven. Aft and to starboard of the companionway is the large navigation station, with lots of working countertop space all around and numerous storage lockers. This space includes the AC and DC switch panels, Raymarine multifunction display, Victron network control panel, Raymarine instrument, and ICOM VHF radio. Moving aft, we enter the aft stateroom. This spacious and comfortable cabin offers a centerline walk-around queen berth. There is plenty of storage with numerous drawers, cabinets, and hanging lockers. This cabin features a private, spacious head with electric toilet, storage, and its own separate walk-in shower with a plexiglass shower door. Next, we move forward to the V-berth and crew cabin. Forward, there is a full stateroom with a generous V-berth with ample storage space and drawers below. To each side are additional hanging lockers and drawers. The cabin features a private entrance to the forward head. The forward head is spacious and includes an electric toilet and its own separate walk-in shower with a plexiglass shower door. To port, there is the roomy crew cabin that features bunk beds along the hull, along with cabinets and hanging lockers. Access to the large engine room and workshop is through the forward engine room door just outboard the companionway, giving excellent access to the engine, the generator, and other electrical and mechanical systems. The workbench is also the generator enclosure. The boat is well powered with its Yacht diesel engine. There are 3 additional engine room doors on the starboard side, giving excellent access to the engine room and provides exceptional access for maintenance. This 1996 Taswell has been meticulously maintained and is an excellent option for sailors looking for a comfortable and capable cruising yacht. Its combination of performance, stability, and comfort make it a versatile choice for various sailing conditions. Whether for leisurely cruising or competitive racing, the Taswell 56 stands out as a capable and enjoyable vessel. To book your appointment to view this 1996 Taswell 56, contact Little Yacht Sales.